So number 6 says the function f is defined by f of x equals 2 over x squared plus 4 for x less than 0. The diagram shows the graph of y equals f of x. And part A says, on this diagram, sketch the graph of y equals the inverse of f of x and show any relevant mirror line, right? And we know that the gradient of f of x and its inverse is a reflection of each other in the mirror line y equals x. So that's the relevant mirror line that they are talking about. So if we're reflecting this by y equals x, it will look like this, right? And that should be our answer for part A, right? Just have to know that when you're asked to sketch the graph of an inverse, it's always a reflection in the line y equals x. So the mirror line is always y equals x, right? Then part B goes on to say find an expression for the inverse of f of x. And for that, we are going to say if f of x is equals to 2 over x squared plus 4, we're going to take it as y. So it's y is equals to 2 over x squared plus 4, right? Then we're going to exchange the x and y values. So where we have y, we're going to put x, and where we have x, we're going to put y. And after that, we're going to try and make the new y the subject of formula. So this would be x is equals to 2 over y squared plus 4. And making y the subject, it will be x minus 4 is equals to 2 over y squared. And cross multiplying, get y squared x minus 4 is equals to 2. And this will give us y squared is equals to 2 over x minus 4. And y will be plus or minus square root of 2 over x minus 4. And here we can see that we have two answers. So we go back and we look at the domain. If there is a less than sign on the domain, it means we're taking the one with the negative sign. And if it's a greater than sign, we take the one with the positive sign. So for this one, we have x less 0. So the inverse function of x is equals to minus the square root of 2 over x minus 4, right? And that will be our answer for part B. Then part C says solve the equation f of x is equals to 4,5, and f of x is 2 over x squared plus 4. And we're being told that this is equals to 4,5, right? So that's 2 over x squared is equals to 0,5. If we cross multiply and divide, we get 2 over 0,5 is equals to x squared, which is as good as saying 4 is equals to x squared. And if we square both sides, we get x equals plus or minus 2. And since no need to use this. Wanted to say since x is less than 0, so we're taking minus 2. But at least you saw how you can solve that equation. So let me just move this a bit up. Right? D is saying explain why the equation of the inverse function equals the original function is no solution. And for this, we're going to go back to the f of x graph. And if we look at these two graphs, we can clearly see that they will never meet, right? So if we say the original function equals the inverse, we can see that there is no intersection. So that might be one way of putting it. And if you look at it, this is 2 over x squared. So for whatever value of x that we put in, because it's being squared, it will be positive. So all values of f of x are going to be positive. And if you look at what we got for the expression of the inverse, there is a minus. So it's minus square root of 2 over x to the power x minus 4. That means all the values of the inverse are negative. So the two will never meet. So that's the explanation that you need to answer part D. Right? And that's it for number 6. I hope it was clear enough.